Everyone, this is Bernie, your Revit Blaster here at Printed Incorporated, bringing you the TNT for Revit users. In this video, I want to talk about stairs. I noticed over the years that a lot of new users of Revit are a little freaked out or scared of doing stairs. They can be complicated, no problem, but I want to show you the basics so that you have the basics and you don't get afraid of them. You can follow what I do here and still get stairs in, and it won't be too challenging. I like to do 3 different types of stairs: a straight run, L-shaped, and U-shaped. Show you how they go and how you can set them up so that they're right aligned just nice when you hit the finish button. So let's start. Architecture tab, circulation panel, stair. I like the 7-Eleven one. Somebody already made this in Revit for us. In this example, I'm going to use the run location line as center. When you're in a project, sometimes you might want to have it on the left or the right. You have a couple of options for both: at the support or at the edge of the run, which is the edge of the tread. Left side, right side, or run center. I'm going to do center. It's from level 1 to level 2 in this sample project. It'll be 21 risers. So I'm going to click here and go straight. Click there. Notice it's telling me 21 risers created, 0 remaining. Click again. And there's the stair. But I have to hit the finish. When I hit the finish button, you'll see the railings show up. Boom. And that's good. Now, that's simple. L-shaped. Let's do L-shaped. Go to stair again. I'm keeping my type. In these components, you have different types: circular, L-shaped with a winder. I don't do L-shaped with winder. I do L-shaped with landing. So I'm going to go 11 risers. Select that. Now, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. See that location line? I want the location line to be from the inside edge of the stringer. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go up the other 10. Boom. My landing's a little long, but notice that the landing is rectangular. And that's because I did it for the first riser right here at the edge of this inside edge of the stringer. That might be something that you have in your project. I'm going to leave it. I could always pull this over to here, but I'm going to leave it. And I'm going to hit the checkbox. And now it's there. I'm going to go to 3D and take a look at that. Zoom extends and zoom in. Let's see, that looks nice. Did a little horizontal rail, and then it has a little gooseneck going up. Same thing with the handrail as the guardrail. Nice. That worked out nice. Now, what about a U-shaped? Let's do a U-shaped. It's the same process as this L-shaped. We're just going to do that twice. Architecture, stair, L1 to L2. I'm going to go 11. And then I'm going to go 10 on the other return side. Now, that location line is going to come off the riser. See it right there? That little temporary dimension's in the way, but it's there. So now I'm going to go 3.5 feet. Click there. Go the rest. See the landings being created. I'm going to 10 risers. There's the 10th one. That's number 21. Got your landing. Everything's working nice. Hit the checkbox. It's got a little of an argument here about the railings for going around this 90-degree corner, I guess. Let me see. I'm going to go to 3D and take a look. See what's going on. It's got a little hiccup right here in the rail, making that elbow. On the other side of that little landing, it did a little gooseneck, went up. It was fine. Not sure what all that's about, but we can fix that. When we do elevations, we can fix that. All right? So that's how you do it. Simple, easy. There's little snags that were in there in that railing. We can take care of that with another video. But that's your simple way of doing stairs. Now, I'm going to show you one more thing. Go to video number 2. I'll show you one more thing about the stairs.